Hello foodies! This is Delicious Cravings again. Guess what? Gusto niyo bang matutong gumawa ng healthy version ng calamares? Yes, you heard me right. Pina-healthy ito kasi hindi natin siya i-deep fry. Instead, gagamit tayo ng air fryer. Less oil, but same crispy goodness. Here are all the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. Isa-isa ko na silang nilapag so you can check them out. And don't worry, the full recipe is in my video. Tara, let's make this healthy, crispy air fryer calamares. After preparing my breadcrumbs, let's crack the egg and beat it lightly. Ang calamares ay isa sa mga sikat na street food sa Pilipinas. Madalas mo ito makikita sa mga food stalls, night markets at karinderya. Aside from being a street food, siniserve din ito sa mga restaurants as an appetizer or pulutan. Usually, ginagawa ito by slicing the squid into rings, coating it with harina or breading, then deep frying it hanggang maging golden brown. Sa process na ito, pinaghalo-halo ko lang lahat ng dry ingredients kasi gagamitin natin sila as first coating. Dip each squid ring into the flour mixture, then dip it into the egg mixture, coat it with breadcrumbs. Spray the air fryer basket lightly with oil. I use olive oil for this because I want it to be a healthier version of calamares. Place the calamari in a single layer. Please do not overcrowd. Lightly spray the top of the calamari with oil. I have been craving calamaris, but since I'm trying to avoid deep-fried food, I stayed away from it until I found out that it can be air-fried. That's why I'm sharing it with you. Air fry at 190 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, flipping halfway through until golden and crispy. Each side should be cooked for about 5 minutes. Now it's ready to serve, and surely you can eat without the guilt. Enjoy with your favorite dipping sauce. In my case, I dip it in spicy ketchup and spicy vinegar. There you have it. I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you enjoyed this video, please comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love. Let's spread positivity so no hate, just love. Happy cooking!